Hey, it's Josie, and I'm here to talk about what I found under the sea at Biscayne Bay. I went snorkeling, and as soon as I get in the water, I see this interesting looking fish. It turns out that I follow it around for a while, and I see that it likes to hide in the grass. It's a checkered pufferfish, according to one of my friends at biology.stackexchange.com. Such an amazing fish, and I let it go because it kept moving around and it hid in the tall grass. Now I find this conch, and the only place I've seen these are at the stores, but I see that this one has something interesting inside. And so I see that it has a living thing, so I don't really want to take it out the water, but also I see that it has this forest growing outside of it, and it's been under the water for some time, so much so that it's almost like a piece of coral. It's got living things growing on its shell. So I tend to leave it alone. Also, it's against the law, I found out, to harvest and collect these, so good thing I made a choice. Now I see the bridge all the way over there, and I'm ready for my next dive. Now I see this old bottle, which actually looks kind of interesting because it has some white things on it. But those turn out just to be air bubbles. But that right there is not just an air bubble. It's some sort of living creature, which looks like a scavenger, and it freaks me out. So what do? I drop the bottle, and hopefully the creatures are okay. Ever wonder what's below a buoy? Me too. I go under it, and it's basically a long rope, but the rope has been underwater for so long now it's actually grown a lot of um looks like kelp almost. But that's basically it for this dive. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.